Hi, I'm Sammy, from Fawziacademy. In this video, I will talk about how do I fix Google Chrome most visited website thumbnails disappeared. Or you may need to change Chrome background and restore the old Chrome thumbnails back. First, make sure you are using Chrome 69. To check this, click the Chrome 3-dot menu icon, then choose Help, then About Google Chrome. Reload the page to check for a new version. You may try reverting to the old thumbnails by disabling these two flags, CHROME://flags/#NTP-icons, CHROME://flags/#NTP-custom-links. The new NTP new tab page layout uses icons instead of website thumbnails. This is a major change in the new design. The same layout is used on mobile Chrome. In addition, the redesigned NTP page offers two new features. Change background. Click the wheel icon on the bottom right to choose a background image for the NTP page. You may upload your own, or choose from a list offered from Google. Follow the steps as shown below. Create your own link shortcuts. Follow the steps as shown below. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website fawziacademy.com.